Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. I'm showing you a problem that a few of you might have found with a karcher, that if you run it dry, you get this. It'll suck up, no problem, but then it'll just stop for ages because it cuts out. So you're going to get no spray coming through your wont there. So it's the machine's actually, I've had this machine over 6 years. Somebody commented about it, and I just said, well, you know, it's been a really good machine, but there is this issue, and because it's a small tank, and you can see that there's a filter in the bottom of it, right, and it's easy to run it dry past that, and it takes ages to start. So it's just one thing that is a pain with it. I don't know if the Puzzie 200 is a bigger tank, but yeah, a bit of an issue. Apart from that, a very good machine. Pulls the water out really well, and yeah. So now I'm going to have to use this little hand spray and just give this mat a good. I've already soaked it, and I'll wait for the thing to kick in again. It's pulling the crap out, but you know, it's just a bit of a pain. So just to bear that in mind. Good machine, but has issues, that being the main one. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, nothing yet. So I'll have to wait for that to kick in. Okay, thanks for watching. This, by the way, this lead is not a standard lead that you buy. It's an actual extension lead, and it's to go up the stairs. It's twice as long as a conventional lead, as you can see. The ones you get with a Puzzie 100 are really short, and you've really got to go on by an extension lead. That's going to set you back another £80, which is on top of the bill already. So try and put that in your budget, because you will use it. I don't know why they put such a short lead on these machines, but anyway, lads, that's how it is. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.